Good morning guys. Thank you Lord sa bagong awa at nakita ang bagong umaga. Yun o. Si sunshine. Ito na guys. Ito na, boom. Walking pag may time guys. Diba? Yan. Punta tayo sa taas. Ikot-ikot. Para maganda ang feeling ng paa. Naka-walking. Simple exercise guys. Isang oras lang ng walking. Diba? 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 Diba guys? Dito lang po yan sa Niswa guys. Niswa. Yan o. Let's go, let's go. Thank you Lord. Ayun. First floor. Second floor. Third floor. Third floor yan guys. Ha? Second floor. Ito guys. Yan, second floor, puntang third floor. Yan, third floor. Haring sunshine. Oh. Tibay na kayo guys, diba? Today is Monday. February 2 na guys. Ayan guys. February 2. Monday. Bye bye. May God bless us all guys. Babush.